Hello, our youths. Welcome to another guidance and counseling session. And today I want us to look at attitude. Attitude. And in specific, how can we build a positive attitude towards mathematics? And to start with, we need to know what is an attitude. An attitude is the settled way of thinking. How do you settle once you finish thinking? How do you settle? You can think positively or negatively. That is, you may have a positive attitude or a negative attitude. Those who have done more research in attitude, they say that if you have positive attitude, you'll always be 100% of whatever you want. Now, I want us we go into detail why most of our students they have been having very negative attitude towards maths, towards science. Especially you realize maybe if it is a school, they have got a very negative attitude, and a large percentage of the students they have got a negative attitude. But how can we build this? How can we improve positive attitude and improve in our mathematics? One point is make maximum use of the lesson. When the teacher is in class, make maximum use of that lesson. When the teacher is there in class teaching, ensure that you are able to monitor and follow the teacher until to the end. That is, make maximum use of the lesson. Another thing that will also help you to improve in mathematics, you as a student, is ask and answer questions. When the teacher is teaching, make sure you are able to ask a question where it is not clear. Don't go with the multitude, what the others are saying, or the chorus the others are saying, but build your attitude by asking questions. Somebody said that when you speak in maths, when you hear whatever you have said, when you write and you see what the teacher is writing, definitely you understand. Number two, the other point that also help us to improve in your attitude is teach others and spend time talking about mathematics. If you show others mathematics, you as a student, if you are in Form 4, show those who are in Form 2, those who are in Form 3, those who are in Form 1. If you are Form 3, show those who are in the lower classes. This one, it will it will give you confidence when you show others. You'll be consistent, you'll be accurate. And these are the qualities that will make you as a good student of maths. Because if you are a student and you are slow, then you cannot be able to call yourself a mathematician. Another one that can also improve your attitude and improve in your mathematics is have all the mathematical materials with you. If it is during the maths lesson, we don't expect you to be looking for a calculator. The teacher is teaching maybe a topic in Form 3 of how to use a calculator. Yet you don't have a calculator and the teacher is teaching that concept. Or maybe you are learning a topic in construction and you don't have a geometrical set, then it means you are not prepared for the lesson, and this one it will affect your attitude. The other one is exercise daily by doing practice every day before you sleep. Make it a dose before you sleep. At least you do questions in mathematics, and this one will improve your performance. The other one is maintain a good relationship with your mathematics teacher. If you have a negative attitude towards the teacher and you like subject, you will not perform. If you like the teacher and you hate the subject, you will not perform. So have a good relationship. The question is, you as a student, do you have a good relationship with your teacher? Or you all the time keep on quarreling, discipline, fighting, uh, quarreling through the lesson. But it's you to adjust. Attend all the lessons and pay attention. Don't be a student who is always sent home or sent out of class because of interruptions. But make sure you are throughout the class when the teacher is teaching. Remember, mathematics in high school is sequential. You learn a step, for example, trigonometry 1, you go to 2, you go to 3. So if you missed 2, you cannot do 3. If you missed 1, you cannot do 2 and 3. So you must be throughout in class. Interact with the peers who value maths. If you work with the people who always say maths is hard, definitely you will never perform. And then calculate carefully and correctly. And last but not the least, select a place in class where you can be able to hear the teacher, where you can be able to see the teacher. Don't be like a student. Maybe when the teacher asks you a question, then you start saying, teacher, I can't see the board. Yet you are throughout the lesson and you could not be able to see. As I finish, I want to give you a short story of a teacher who was teaching in a class lesson of maths. And it happened that the teacher was called by another teacher outside. So he was working out a question. He left it halfway. When the teacher came back, he asked the student, yes, can you tell us what was remaining in that question? And the student said the tail. Then the teacher was wondering, what is this? He asked the student, what are you talking about? Then the student showed the teacher up there on a corner. Teacher, can't you see it is a lizard there? It is only the tail that is appearing. Meaning during the whole lesson, the student was concentrating on the lizard in class. Stop concentrating on other things, but concentrate on what the teacher is doing in class, and for sure you'll be able to make it. It is the high time you improve in mathematics. We are born with mathematics. We eat using mathematics. We go to church using mathematics, because everywhere it is maths. When you do this, you'll be able to excel. Have a nice time. God bless you.